What is happening, everyone, and welcome back to ChatGPT Insights. The news cycle is absolutely relentless, and today we've got a fire hose of updates that you absolutely cannot afford to miss. From groundbreaking market movements to the future of our connected lives, we're diving deep into the stories shaping tomorrow, right now. Get ready for some massive reveals that are set to shake things up across multiple industries. We've got major announcements, strategic shifts, and innovative rollouts that are going to change the way you interact with technology and the digital world. Stick around, because you're about to get the inside scoop on what's next, and trust me, you'll want to be in the know. Let's jump right in. First up, we're talking about a monumental shift in the digital asset space. Get ready, because Gemini's potential IPO is on the horizon, signaling a massive validation for institutional crypto adoption. This isn't just about a company going public. It's about the entire digital asset market gaining a new level of legitimacy and access to capital that could redefine the financial landscape as we know it. We'll break down what this means for investors, for the industry, and for the future of digital currencies. Then, we're shifting gears to the heart of our homes. Google is gearing up to unveil its comprehensive Gemini smart home strategy, and the implications are huge. We're talking about new hardware, smarter integrations, and a complete reimagining of how you control your living space. If you thought your smart home was smart before, you haven't seen anything yet. This could be the moment your home truly becomes intelligent. But we're not stopping there. Google is also making a significant move into the educational sector with Gemini for Students, specifically targeting classrooms across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa. This is a strategic play to embed advanced AI into the very fabric of learning. Imagine AI as your personal tutor, research assistant, and study partner, all rolled into one. We'll explore how this could revolutionize education and what it means for students and educators alike. And finally, to wrap it all up, we've got the definitive timeline. Google is dropping the bomb on exactly when Gemini is set to invade your smart home. Get ready for the full takeover, as your current assistant is about to be replaced by something far more powerful. Don't miss a single second of this essential update. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Gemini's IPO aims for market validation. Gemini's potential initial public offering is poised to be a pivotal moment, potentially unlocking significant capital access and offering strategic market validation for the entire institutional crypto adoption ecosystem. This move signifies a critical juncture where digital assets are increasingly seeking mainstream financial integration and broader acceptance. The prospect of Gemini, a prominent player in the digital asset exchange and custody space, going public represents more than just a single company's financial maneuver. It's a bellwether event that could dramatically influence how traditional financial institutions and corporate entities approach cryptocurrency investments and integration. For years, the crypto market has grappled with regulatory uncertainties and a perceived lack of transparency, which have often deterred large-scale institutional involvement. An IPO by a major crypto firm like Gemini could serve as a powerful catalyst, demonstrating a commitment to rigorous compliance, robust governance, and a clear path to profitability that aligns with established financial markets. This strategic market validation is crucial. It suggests that Gemini has met, or is on track to meet, the stringent requirements and expectations of public markets, thereby building confidence among a wider array of investors. Such confidence is essential for the sustained growth and maturation of the digital asset sector. By providing a clear avenue for capital access, Gemini's IPO could facilitate significant investment into infrastructure development, technological innovation, and the expansion of services within the crypto space. This influx of capital could accelerate the development of more sophisticated trading platforms, enhanced security measures, and new digital asset products, ultimately benefiting the entire industry. Furthermore, the IPO process itself will likely involve extensive scrutiny of Gemini's business model, its risk management protocols, and its long-term strategic vision. Successfully navigating this process and emerging as a publicly traded entity would lend considerable credibility to the company and, by extension, to the digital asset market it serves. it could set a precedent for other crypto-native companies, encouraging them to pursue similar paths toward greater transparency and accountability. The market impact could be substantial, potentially leading to increased liquidity, more competitive pricing, and a wider range of investment opportunities for both retail and institutional participants. Industry analysts are closely watching to see how Gemini's public debut will be received, anticipating it could usher in a new era of mainstream acceptance and investment in digital assets. User impact. This development is seen as a major step towards legitimizing cryptocurrencies and digital assets, potentially making them more accessible and reliable for a broader investor base. Get ready for a glimpse into the future of our living spaces. Next, we're exploring how Google is bringing its AI power directly into your home. Google unveils Gemini smart home strategy. Google is set to officially reveal its comprehensive smart home plans, including new hardware and extensive integration of its Gemini AI, promising a significant upgrade to the connected living experience. This announcement is expected to redefine user interaction with home devices and services. Google has officially teased an upcoming event on October 1st, with the tagline "Gemini is coming to Google Home," signaling a major push to integrate its advanced AI assistant into the smart home ecosystem. This follows the company's earlier announcement of Gemini for Home at the Made by Google event, where early access was slated for October. A dedicated event to elaborate on these plans and showcase new hardware is a logical next step, aiming to build anticipation and clearly outline the future of Google's smart home offerings. The core of this strategy involves Gemini AI replacing the current Google Assistant across smart home devices. The promise is a more natural, intuitive, and powerful user experience, enabling seamless control through advanced natural language understanding. This could mean more complex commands being understood, more contextual awareness from the AI, and a more integrated approach to managing various home functions, from lighting and temperature to security and entertainment. The goal is to move beyond simple voice commands to truly conversational and proactive assistance. Beyond software updates, the teaser also provided a glimpse of what appears to be a new Nest Cam. While visually similar to existing models, it's widely expected to be a refreshed version, possibly featuring enhanced camera capabilities like 2K resolution. Rumors also suggest a new Nest doorbell with similar 2K support could be launched alongside it. These hardware updates are crucial for maintaining a competitive edge in the smart home market, where visual quality and device performance are key differentiators. Perhaps most intriguing is the mention of an unconfirmed Nest speaker glimpsed during a recent launch stream. This device is anticipated to be a central piece of Google's new hardware lineup, potentially serving as a hub for the Gemini-powered smart home experience. Its capabilities and design will be critical in how users interact with the new AI and manage their connected homes. The integration of Gemini into these devices aims to create a more cohesive and intelligent home environment, making daily tasks more efficient and life more convenient. The success of this initiative will depend on how well Google can integrate its AI capabilities with user-friendly hardware and a robust software platform, all while ensuring privacy and security. User impact. Consumers are anticipating a more intelligent and responsive smart home experience, with excitement building around new hardware and AI-driven capabilities. Google is making a bold move into the classroom. Prepare for a deep dive into how AI is set to transform education in EMEA. Google's Gemini for Students targets EMEA classrooms. Google is launching a significant initiative with Gemini for Students across Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, aiming to embed its AI tools directly into academic workflows and reshape learning for millions. This move signals a strategic push to capture the next generation of users in the burgeoning ed-tech market. This rollout is a clear indication of Google's intent to dominate the educational technology landscape by integrating its powerful AI capabilities into the student experience. As AI tools become increasingly commonplace, the competition for mindshare, particularly among younger demographics, is fierce. Google, with its extensive reach and resources, is strategically positioning Gemini as an indispensable academic companion, from secondary school through university. The new features are designed to address common student challenges, offering assistance with tasks such as summarizing complex texts, generating essay outlines, brainstorming project ideas, and even aiding in language learning through real-time translation and conversational practice. The choice of the EMEA region for this targeted launch is particularly noteworthy. This vast and diverse area boasts a substantial student population, often facing varied access to educational resources and showing a strong inclination towards digital literacy. By providing tailored AI tools, Google aims to foster early adoption and cultivate long-term loyalty, establishing Gemini as a go-to resource for academic success. This strategy acknowledges the evolving nature of learning, where AI is no longer just a supplementary tool but a potential partner in the educational journey, enhancing research, writing, and comprehension skills. The implications for the broader education technology, EdTech sector are profound. Existing learning management systems and digital content providers will face increasing pressure to integrate AI capabilities or risk becoming obsolete. This initiative by Google sets a new benchmark for AI integration in education, prompting competitors to develop equally sophisticated, ethically sound, and privacy-conscious solutions. The challenge for Google will be to navigate the inherent complexities of AI in education, particularly concerning academic integrity, the potential for over-reliance on AI, and data privacy. Ensuring robust safeguards, transparent data handling, and a focus on promoting critical thinking over simple answer generation will be crucial for the initiative's long-term success and public acceptance. Google's Gemini for Students initiative represents a forward-thinking approach to the future of learning, recognizing the symbiotic relationship between AI and education. It aims to equip students with advanced tools that can personalize their learning experience, improve efficiency, and foster deeper engagement with academic material. For educators, it presents an opportunity to leverage AI to support teaching and learning, potentially freeing up time for more personalized student interaction. The successful implementation of Gemini for students in EMEA could pave the way for its global expansion, fundamentally altering the educational landscape and setting a new standard for AI-powered learning environments. User impact. Educators and students are reacting with a mix of excitement about enhanced learning tools and concerns about academic integrity and data privacy. Get ready for the final piece of the puzzle. We're revealing the exact date Gemini arrives in your smart home. Gemini's smart home invasion date revealed. Google has officially announced the precise timeline for Gemini's integration into its smart home ecosystem, confirming that the AI will begin replacing Google Assistant soon, marking a significant shift in home automation and user interaction. Google has set the stage for a major overhaul of its smart home offerings, with Gemini poised to replace the familiar Google Assistant. The company has officially teased the integration, stating, "Gemini is coming to Google Home," with an announcement event scheduled for October 1st. This date is critical, as it signifies the beginning of Gemini's broader rollout and integration into Google's connected home devices. This move is more than just a simple software update. It represents a fundamental change in how users will interact with their smart homes, promising a more powerful, intuitive, and conversational AI experience. The transition from Google Assistant to Gemini is expected to bring substantial enhancements. Gemini's advanced capabilities in natural language processing and contextual understanding are anticipated to allow for more complex commands, more nuanced conversations, and a more proactive approach to managing home environments. Users can look forward to a more seamless integration of services, potentially enabling them to control multiple devices, access information, and manage tasks through more natural, human-like interactions. This upgrade aims to elevate the smart home experience from mere convenience to a truly intelligent and responsive living space. Accompanying this software evolution, Google is also rumored to be launching new hardware. Leaks and teasers suggest updated Nest cams and potentially a new Nest doorbell, both possibly featuring upgraded camera resolutions like 2K. The company has also hinted at a new Nest speaker, which could serve as a central hub for the Gemini-powered smart home. These hardware updates are crucial for delivering the full potential of Gemini, ensuring that the physical devices can support the advanced AI functionalities. The synergy between enhanced AI and updated hardware is key to Google's strategy for maintaining leadership in the competitive smart home market. The implications of this full-scale integration are far-reaching. It signals Google's commitment to leveraging its AI prowess to create a more integrated and intelligent ecosystem for its users. By replacing Google Assistant with the more capable Gemini, the company is aiming to provide a superior user experience that anticipates needs and simplifies daily life. The success of this transition will hinge on the seamless execution of the software and hardware updates, as well as Google's ability to address user concerns regarding privacy and data security. The exact capabilities and the rollout schedule will be closely watched by consumers and industry experts alike, as this transition could set a new standard for AI in the smart home. User impact. Consumers are eagerly anticipating the enhanced capabilities and a more intuitive control over their smart home devices with the arrival of Gemini. We've covered a lot of ground today. Stick around for a quick recap of the biggest stories and a final call to action. That's a wrap on today's essential tech updates. We saw Gemini's potential IPO signaling a major boost for institutional crypto adoption. Google is gearing up to revolutionize our homes with its Gemini smart home strategy and new hardware. Plus, Gemini for Students is set to transform learning across EMEA. And finally, we got the exact date for Gemini's smart home invasion. Don't miss out on any future insights. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and ring it loud so you never miss an upload. Like this video if you found it helpful, share your thoughts in the comments below, and follow us on all our social channels for even more breaking news and analysis. Thanks for watching ChatGPT Insights, and we'll see you in the next one.